Two of the most talked about CRM platforms are about to face off, Nutshell versus Bitrix24. Which one has the real edge? On one side, we have Nutshell simple, intuitive, focused. On the other, Bitrix24 feature-packed and customizable. We'll put both through their paces, comparing them on ease of use, features, pricing, team collaboration, and more. Let's ignore the sales pitches and see how they truly stack up. Every category means points on the board, and by the end, you'll know exactly who wins where. The outcome could surprise you. Let's get into it. Okay, real quick, here's a little mind map of what we're comparing. Price, CRM features, collaboration, integrations and apps, ease of use, scalability and customization, and finally, the whole ecosystem. It's a lot, but don't worry, we'll make this super clear. First up, price. Nutshell keeps it simple. Flat pricing, no weird hidden charges, and honestly, pretty affordable right off the bat. The only thing is, there's no forever free plan, so just a heads up. Meanwhile, Bitrix24, it's got a free plan to get you started, which is nice, but oh man, once you want those advanced features, those costs ramp up fast, especially as your team grows. So if you're on a budget and don't want any surprises, Nutshell kinda takes the cake here. Next, CRM features. Both of these bring a lot to the table. Nutshell is all about making sales simple, easy pipelines, and reporting that just makes sense. But I gotta say, if you want marketing automation or endless customization for fields, it starts to feel a little thin. Bitrix24 swings in with all the basics. Deals, emails, tasks, plus automation and custom fields. Downside, that interface can just feel kind of messy, especially when you're new. It's honestly a tie depending on what you value more. Okay, collaboration. This is one of those places where Bitrix24 just shows off. You've got chat, video calls, docs, projects, the works, and if you manage teams or run big projects, that's kind of a dream. But full disclosure, sometimes it feels like there's almost too much going on, and it can get overwhelming. Nutshell lets you track team activity and sends notifications, but that's about it. No chat, no built-in docs. So if collaborating is your jam, Bitrix24 definitely wins. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Bitrix24 launched back in 2012 and now powers over 10 million organizations worldwide? That's kind of wild to think about. Moving on to integrations and apps. Nutshell covers the basics with Google and Outlook, and there's Zapier if you want to get creative. But overall, not a ton of direct integrations or extra built-in marketing stuff. Bitrix24 though, that's like a kid in a candy store. There's a whole app marketplace, and you get phone, chat, HR, marketing all plugged in. Some integrations do lock behind paid plans, and reliability isn't perfect. But still, Bitrix24 pulls ahead here. Now, ease of use. Nutshell basically nails this super clean interface, onboarding is a breeze, and you really don't need tech superpowers to set it up. If you're just starting out or want to get going fast, this is a huge plus. Bitrix24, on the other hand, gives you everything at once, which can just feel like too much. Not the friendliest learning curve. So if you want to just hit the ground running, give Nutshell the point. Let's talk about scalability and customization. Nutshell is awesome for small and mid-sized businesses, but let's be honest. If you're running a big operation or need to get crazy with workflows, it'll probably feel limiting. Bitrix24, it's as customizable as it gets. Automations, extranet features, custom fields, you name it. But heads up, all those options can make setup kind of a headache if you just want the basics. Still, Bitrix24 clearly runs away with this one. Finally, the ecosystem. Nutshell is focused, like laser focused. It's all about CRM and sales. Don't expect built-in HR or phone or, honestly, much outside the sales bubble. Bitrix24 is the opposite. HR, call center, docs, tasks, the whole shebang. Sometimes doing so much means you lose some specialty finesse, but for an all-in-one, Bitrix24 really delivers. So if you look at the side-by-side on all these features, you can totally see where each one shines and where they kind of fumble. It's not a total knockout for either, but there are some pretty clear strengths. Alright, big picture. Nutshell is awesome if you just want an easy, straightforward CRM that's not going to drain your wallet, especially for small sales teams. But if you need the works, and I mean CRM plus collab, HR, docs, all that all together and super flexible, Bitrix24 takes the lead. That's your winner here. If you found this helpful, definitely stick around and follow for more deep dive software face-offs. See you in the next one.